Hey, of D Revolution. I'm here to bring you the best ideas about writing and how to sell your book and uh, some things to deal with on your journey. I've been a writer for 30 years. I've written 4 screenplays. I'm an award-winning poet, and I've written 3 books about to start on my fourth. Please like and subscribe to my page. So we're going to talk about something. We're going to talk about the imposter syndrome. Now, this is something that all writers deal with. What is the imposter syndrome? The imposter syndrome is that the other person is telling you that you can't do it. You can't. Nobody's going to read this. What are you writing this for? This is not that good or whatever. And it will keep you from writing your book. How many of you out there have been writing a book in your mind for 2, 3 years now, but never really sat down and did it? Because it's pretty up here, but actually sitting down and doing it and completing it is something else. I know a lot of people who started writing, but years later still haven't finished. That's that imposter syndrome. If you look at it this way, if you knew that when you finish this book you're gonna get $5 million, you will finish that damn book. So the thing is that you can't base it off of money. Completion is the best gift to give yourself. Start writing, get it done. When you sell them, they sell. You know what I'm saying? I mean, that's a whole nother video. But the fact is, once you complete this, you'll be able to put this story or this journey out into the world, and you will get gratification from that. And then, as you do that, and if you want to write another book, just continue to build. I'm in the process of building a fan base. I'm in the process of building right now. But I love to write. I love to write stories. I just love, once you start doing, once you write it, you kick that imposter syndrome in the behind and tell them to get out, tell your imposter syndrome to get out of here. Go ahead and do what you feel like your purpose is, and don't allow the imposter syndrome to take over and allow you to believe that you're wasting your time. You have to get it done, because you're going to regret sooner or later that you never got it done. If it's constantly on your mind to write your book, go ahead and write it, one word at a time, and before you know it, I mean, life gets in the way, even with me. You know what I'm saying? You don't always able to dedicate the time to it, but dedicate whatever time you can to it, and keep knocking at it until you finish it. And once it's finished, it's finished, and you did it. It'll make it easier to write the next one. I'm D Revolution. I need you to like, subscribe to my channel, like this video, send this video to anybody who you think is interested in writing or want to write. They need to become a part of the channel. Go to Facebook, Black Books for United States on Facebook, and join our group. Peace. I'm D Revolution.